Okay, looks like we can all roll after this gray truck and trailer. Okay, rolling out.
Welcome back, everybody. Today, a group of us friends have picked up camp from Lake Havasu, Arizona. We've all gone separate ways a little bit to run some errands and have regathered a little further south in Parker, Arizona. We're going to head down to Quartzsite, Arizona and see what's going on down at the Party R. So we'll get on the road. Everybody's had a chance to restock and groceries and propane and taking care of tanks and everything. We've all met up in our caravan. There goes Ed in their Regency Class A, and there's Sue pulling their trailer with their Polaris Razor in it. Behind them is Terry and Scott. Behind them is Jay, and right in front of me is Aja pulling her trailer with her new trailer with her new Can-Am Maverick, and the trailer's pulling brand new trailer, loaded up for the first time, making its first trip. It's been tracking very nice and straight. There's no weird swaying going on. It's looking good. And then Bella and I are bringing up the rear. Come on, Bounder. So it looks like we're going to Quartzsite again. Right, Bella? Looking through these nice brand new windshields. Nice. Okay, we're going to go ahead and skip ahead, I think. We've seen enough of this Highway 95 in recent videos, so we're just going to skip ahead here into town. Okay, as we come up across the bridge up here on the right hand side, you'll see the big tent area. That's where all the vendors set up this time of year in Quartzsite, where there's a big rock and gem show, and vendors selling just all kind of stuff. A lot of RV related stuff, and I don't know for sure. I've never actually been in there. I hope to, once we set up camp, come down back into town, maybe on the motorcycle. It'll be easier with the traffic. Spend a little bit of time and check what the vendors have to offer. So hopefully we'll be coming back down here pretty soon. But we are gonna head up to camp out here on East Dome Rock Road, which goes towards the area known as Scadden Wash, BLM area. That's where the Party R is. It gets to be a nasty road out here after a bit, but just take it easy. We're now about 1 mile out of town there where we were, and we've reached the area where the 14-day camping begins, and this is where the road maintenance on this ends. Most people get off over here. It was a little smoother here on the berm. It's all sand and rock. Most people get over. That's it. Come on over, everybody. Get off that bad stuff. That asphalt road is so torn up. Anyway, we got about 3 miles of this. But you gotta have patience. Just take it easy so we don't beat our rigs up. And then here we'll get to the end, and it's not too bad, as bad towards the very end of it. But we're gonna turn up here and go about another mile up this road, and this isn't too bad. Like I say, the whole way you just gotta take your time. Take your time. So now we'll turn down off the road and go down the wash. It actually heads back toward town, and it's gonna be down in here. It's back down in here a little ways, about a half mile or so, and we should be there at Party R.
You're home free now.
Wait a minute. I know you're anxious. Did we find all our peoples? Did we find our people? Okay, go. Are you happy? Better, come on. Better. There's a paraglider up there. Ed.
Satellite.
Okay, satellite on the roof.
Priorities.
And Sue enjoy their TV.
Call priorities, my friend.
Yeah.
Freaks me out. Here, let me put that. Here, like that. Reflection.
That's it. We've it's quite a camp. Quite a camp. This may be the last big to do for the year. We'll probably wind up with this Party R thing. Check us out. See all those bucks. Hey, how are you doing?
Yeah, that's some fella go by like Wednesday.
I'll see you in a bit. I guess it must be drum music night tonight. Look at all this firewood. And I think tonight's the last night. That is a lot of firewood.
Hey, Dave.
Wait, somebody said hi, Dave. Oh, it's Elijah. Hi, Elijah. Better. Hi, Sonali. How are you? Huh? You got your thing. You got your shinies on.
Well, Laura put hers on until I told her I would wear mine.
There you go. And a little jingle goes with the music, right? There you go. Good to see you again. Okay, where's my dog? Bella. Come on. There she comes. Come on, this way. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
She's become a pretty good camp dog.
You gotta get in there and get the action. Get it. Go ahead.
Let me throw this off. Wait, let me throw this thing off.
I'm glad I did record that.
Okay, we're on now. You were beating. You were beating.
Anyway, no,
Chuck.
I was doing nothing.
Chuck.
Nothing to see here.
So, Chuck's a real animal lover. He's just really great with Bella and Moo Moo, and his dog is Kaiser. It's all the dogs are great. Okay, I'll admit the fire circle and the drum action has a bit of a hippie feel to it. So be it. It's a big desert. Okay, we're gonna fast forward again. It's the next day. You can probably tell it's a little brighter out. I'll admit the drum sessions really isn't my thing. Not my favorite genre. Although things can change all of a sudden. I'll show you a very short clip of another. I guess it was dance party night. Well, check this out. That you probably won't find me on the dance floor either, but I can enjoy that more so than the drum thing. Like I said, it's just not my thing. That's it. We're gonna hang out at the Park TR for probably a couple days. We'll probably get the side-by-sides out and go for a ride, maybe tomorrow. And then we're gonna be heading on here pretty quickly to a couple other a small event. Well, maybe not. I don't know. It's something new for me. We're gonna be checking that out soon. So, anyway, that's all I have today. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.